guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back. I know it's only been 1 week, but Birchbox is on top of it. This came to the mail today. I noticed the lady had a package. I went running. I told her thank you through the window, grabbed my box, snatched it, thinking it was it had to have been Ipsy, but no, Birchbox. Right here. And I promise you, it's hand over fist better than the last box that I got, which is really good because I wasn't sure about Birchbox to begin with. I wasn't going to subscribe to Birchbox, but I did because so many other people are into Birchbox that I had to at least give it a shot, and I know that people are interested in seeing the products in the box. So I subscribed. I wasn't too impressed last week, but I went with it, and here comes Valentine's Day's box, and it's pretty good. I'm happy with the products that are in this box. Some of the products in this box are on my face, so let's just jump right on into it. The box does look like this. It has a bunch of X's and O's. And when you open the box, it looks like this. And it says, sleep in, do a face mask, go for a hike, take a road trip, call your mom, skip the gym, learn something new, sip champagne. I'm good at that. Like, probably too good at that. Paint your nails, meditate, write a book, sing in the shower, ask for that raise, look up at the stars, which I'm trying to do, give someone a hug, be fashionably late, spritz on some perfume, doused myself before this video, and pet a puppy. Oh, and light a candle, but I do that every day. I love candles. Try a red lip. I don't know, guys. It's a little bit red. And, of course, follow your heart. Whatever brings you joy in life, love, or work, we hope that this month's box inspires you to be yourself. And then, of course, on the back of the card, it does tell you the contents of the box and what they're intended for and their prices if you were to purchase full size. So when I opened up the box, let me make sure I'm not missing something because I feel like I am. Oh, I'm not. It was just blending in with the bottom of the box. Okay, when you open up the box, it kind of looks like this. Trying not to dump all the contents. I have to tell you, the 3 things in this box that I was able to use today, I am so pleasantly surprised with. I'm going to go ahead and go off the list just so that I don't get off topic too much because I'm really good at that. The first thing in the box, according to the list, is the Daily Concepts, your facial micro scrubber. Full size, this is $8. I'm gonna give this a shot. I don't have a facial scrubber. I don't know how I feel about a facial scrubber just because of bacteria harbored in the padding, but I don't mind trying it for a short term and seeing how I like it. I mean, $8, you can replace that pretty frequently for that kind of price. So I am excited to get this in the box. I've never gotten a facial scrubber in any box or a loofah of any kind, so that's cool. It says to use this dual texture facial scrubbing tool to gently yet effectively rid pores of dirt, oil, and grime. Use morning and night, alone with water, or with your favorite cleanser. Okay, so that's cool. It's probably the least exciting thing in the box. It's pretty good. Moving on, we got a product from Doucce. Honestly, I've heard so many YouTubers pronounce it differently. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Doucce? Anyway, Luscious Lip Stain. Looks like this. It's obviously a lot darker than what the bottle leads on. So it's called Steaming Red. It is a matte lip. As you can tell, it is on my lips. Full size, this product runs $28. Paint your pout in this long-lasting saturated shade of deep rose that glides on smoothly, leaving a matte finish. Just one swipe will keep you covered from day to night. Okay, I did apply this about an hour ago. It hasn't transferred at all. It has not worn off at all. But I do have some beef with this lipstick. It's pretty drying, and it dried so quick when applying it that I was having a tough time getting a full coverage just because, I mean, it was dry. Like, you put it on and very dry. So my lips, if I were to get up closer, I kind of feel like I have to smile to hide the fact that they are very dry. But otherwise, I love the color. You ever do something that's not yourself and you feel yourself? That's how I feel about this lipstick. I really like it. At first, I was like, whoa, I'm a train wreck because it shocked me. But Honestly, I really like this color. I'm gonna use it again even with it being dry. I do want to try to apply a gloss over it just to see what the formula does, because I'm imagining that it's going to actually pick up off my lip if I apply a gloss. But I can't say that for sure until I do that, and I actually like this look, so I'm not going to ruin it with a gloss right now. So moving on, just because I talked about that for way too long, MAC Cosmetics False Lashes Mascara. Full size, this product runs $23. The sample is fairly small, but I did get a good use out of it, and I didn't have a problem with the wand picking up the product. I really like the wand. It's just a standard large wand. This is like my favorite shape. This is supposed to be the False Lash Extreme Black. So it says that this mascara's brush delivers volume, curl, and lengthened lashes with its densely distributed bristles. The pigmented and thickening formula creates a full feathered effect. I do have this on my lashes. I don't really know if you can see because I have very dark hair, so trying to put them next to my hair, you probably can't see them. Honestly, I didn't really notice a difference from my Perversion formula, which is actually a good thing because I have not strayed from Perversion from Urban Decay since they came out with it. So to find a mascara that I would call comparable, it's good for the brand. It's a good formula, and I really do like it, and I'll use it until that sample is gone. Will I buy it again? I don't know. I'm going to definitely have to use it a little bit longer to decide that. So moving on is actually something that completely surprised me. I don't like hair products. I like my hair to feel clean. If it's greasy or if there's a texture to it that's not hair, I fixate on it and I touch my hair and touch my hair and touch my hair, and I can't stop. Until I wash it. That's why I leave my hair up in a bun, because I just feel so much cleaner. I know that's ridiculous. That's the OCD inside my heart and soul. But I did receive a hair product today, and my profile does say that I'm not really totally into hair products, but they've sent me one in every box, and that's fine. That's not too much. This is number 4, Super Comb Prep and Protect. Full size. This is $32. Okay, so I didn't look at the price, and that kind of like killed my buzz. $32. Okay. So shield your strands from heat damage and UV rays with this leave-in conditioning mist made with natural hydrators like black currant and soy yogurt. Okay, if I mispronounce anything, guys, I'm not fancy. I'm trying. I probably said that wrong. Spritz onto hair, then comb. Okay, my hair felt cleaner than what it did initially. Let me see if I can like really focus that, just so you can see the bottle. Anyway, my hair felt cleaner initially. I can't say what I want to say, guys. My hair felt cleaner after I applied the spray to my damp towel-dried hair and combed it through. I loved the way that it made my hair feel whenever it was wet. I was afraid that once I blow-dried it, I would have a different opinion, but I didn't. Then I styled my hair. It held the curl great. It's very voluminous. It did not mess with the way that my hair styles at all. My hair does not feel like there is any product in it whatsoever. So super clean, and if it protects you from UV rays and from your hair drying out and it has natural hydrators, that's great. Honestly, I would buy that again. I might buy that again. Just saying something because it's $32. All right. Moving on, there is the last thing in the box. It looks like this. It's called Pink Sugar. It looks like it is a perfume. Makes sense because it's Valentine's Day. You want to smell good. Pink sugar. Sweets. I didn't open it because I want to reflect my natural impression of the scent. So I normally don't like things that are ultra sweet. I like a very like fresh, clean floral scent. So I'm imagining that this is going to be sweet because it's called Pink Sugar. So it says smell sweet as sugar. I was right, guys. When wearing this playful perfume, which blends notes of cotton candy, ooh, I'm a little scared, raspberry, vanilla, and musk. Okay, I'm really scared. I don't wear musky perfumes. I'm gonna try. That's why I didn't open it prior to this video, because I want you to know what I really think. So roll on to pulse points for a mouth-watering whiff. Okay, that just gave it away. It's a roller ball. It says roll. I'm not really into roller balls. I wanted to like spritz it for you, but whatever. I'm not gonna complain because I like everything else in this box. Oh, it's a spritz! Why did it say roll? This is a sprayer. A sprayer. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna spray the air, or maybe I'll spray the card. Oh, that's really sweet. That's so sweet. Okay, it's not my thing at all. It smells good, but I could not sit wearing this all day. It would make me sick just because it is such a sweet scent. So if you're into like that vanilla smell, like a musky cotton candy scent, this is for you. It does smell good. I just can't personally tolerate something so sweet all day because it will really get to me and make me nauseous. The spritz on this is really nice, and I do feel like you would get a decent amount of use. Oh yeah, really sweet. Okay, so I really don't have much to say about the perfume, I'm sorry. It's just not for me, but that doesn't mean that it's not for you. So that is the contents of the box. I am really pleasantly surprised. I was applying my makeup whenever the mail lady came, and I had actually already applied this red metallic tone to my lid from the Urban Decay Metallics palette that had recently come out. I opened this box and I pull out this lipstick and I was like, it's like they knew what I was doing today. It's like they knew. So I put it on, it went perfectly with the shadow, and I just thought I have to do my unboxing right now, like today. So obviously I'm clearly happy with this box. I didn't feel quite as excited last week. It is exciting to get a subscription box 2 weeks in a row though, so they're definitely on it in terms of like when they charge your card, they ship the box comes in the mail. You don't have to sit around wondering when your Birchbox is gonna come, and that's great. So again, this is the box. Birchbox, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like this unboxing. It's going to only get better, guys. I am learning a lot of new things about what to do and what to not do, or what not to do and what to do. I don't know the best way to say that, but I'm practicing. I really appreciate all of the support and the positive messages I've received over the last week. I understand that my last video was like, I mean, it was poop, but I was just excited, and you know, I'm vulnerable and I put myself out there, and sometimes you just have to like jump off that cliff whenever you're like really nervous, you know, am I gonna get made fun of? Are people going to laugh at me? Like, that doesn't matter, because you know what, ultimately this makes me feel like myself. This is something that's been a passion of mine since I was little, since I was old enough to earn my own money. My friends were into high-end makeup. I was. I've always been, and this has always been something that definitely supports my individuality. This is who I am. This is what gets me excited. So doing this is definitely something that's for me. It's not really necessarily for the people who laugh at me or think that I'm ridiculous, which nobody did to my face. I appreciate it, because I know that that was all bad, and trust me, I had to watch that last video like, watch that last video like, I've heard my voice like 100 times over the last week. That's because we are trying to learn how to edit videos. So bear with us. I am really excited. I really appreciate all of the support and the positive, encouraging words that I've received. Also, all of the new likes and follows on Instagram, that like really boosted my self-esteem, so I do appreciate it. So subscribe to my channel down below. Click the bell so you get the notifications whenever I post new content, and I will see you hopefully when my Ipsy bag comes in a week. All right, love you guys. Bye.